Sandmax, I am in the canal. There we have the Mordor Tower, some restaurant boat, and here we have the Armageddon. In this version I use the Armageddon with the black snow handlebar. This handlebar is very nice, as you can see. He put you a little bit on the back, so your ride will be more comfortable, but you don't lose the control because it's quite wide, 700 something. Yeah, and also you have the horn to make aero, and also help for some bag if you have a handlebar bag. And when now we see on the bike, yeah, the Topic Tetrarak. This light is super cool. This is super powerful, super durable. This is also a light, not bad, very well built, but this is better, I think. This is the new bowler. They make also very nice bicycle backpacking bag. And also this Ulang bag are nice, well built. Yeah, so I test ride this, is cool, I like it, but for the use I made, because I don't make a lot of technical ride here, it's just road and gravel and some trail, but we are not in the mountain, it's totally plain, so I can use also the drop bar. So tell me about what you think about this bike with this kind of bar, or if you prefer the drop bar. I will show you later the drop bar in another video, and I want you comment and tell to me which one you like more. So this is a great solution. I mean, use the Surly handlebar. The corner bar is a great solution for who want to have one bike but use the bike in two different ways. So you don't need to work on the bike a lot. You don't need to exchange a lot of components. You just exchange your handlebar, and you can use your mountain bike command on a drop bar. And this is kind of impressive things. Also, you can find I have the Surly bar, the corner bar, but I have also kind of similar handlebar, but in carbon fiber and also in aluminum. And Znino is the carbon brand, make carbon fiber Surly corner bar style, and also there is other brand, also Filipino, make this kind of handlebar. And now we have also a surprise. Nice, see, beautiful boat, nice. So guys, let me know what you think about. Like, subscribe and share, and see this nice boat. Nice, huh? Subscribe.